So one day I was in my backyard and I was looking at plants and I really want to plant something. But wait, my plant. Oh my goodness, bro. I always forget to water it, so why can't I just make a plant that reminds me to water it? So this is where this idea come from. Yeah, let's do it. So I think this is the game plan. Now we'll have a few plants. Like I want one plant pot. All I need is just one plant pot to work, and I'm gonna water it like every single day because I usually forget. Basically, this pot is gonna be on my desk every single day. So I hope this is an actual project that I'm gonna keep. But anyways, let's see. But in order to do that, I'm gonna have to ask Mr. Mustache to explain everything. Hey, Mr. Mustache, what are you doing? Yo, Turtle, wait. I'm trying to remember which door I put the. You know, you better finish the flower pot. Or else. Okay, man, chill, bro. This guy's so hard to work with. Bro, I'm underpaid. Anyways, I gotta teleport you somewhere before I got kicked out of Turtle Team by Turtle. So, we're gonna explain how the flower pot actually is gonna work, or plant pot, or whatever you call it. But anyways, the plant pot is gonna have a few things. We need the pot, the soil moisture sensor, an Arduino, vibrating thingy, and also I think we're gonna have an LCD just to make it way more cool than necessary. But this flower pot is gonna look like a box, I think, and the flower pot is gonna be inside the box. So there'll be the soil inside. The soil moisturizer is gonna sense if the soil is wet or not, and if it's not wet, it's gonna start like beeping on like the vibrator, and the vibrator is gonna tell me, hey, you need to water the flower pot, and the LCD is also like stating if the plant is wet or not wet or almost dry or whatever. But the LCD is just basically a statement thingy. Once I water it, the LCD is gonna change to okay, you have already done water it, or you don't need to water it. Or, and then after that, the vibrating thingy is gonna stop vibrating, and everything will go back to normal until it's dry again, and it's time for me to water it. So that's basically how it's supposed to work. Let's go into the building montage, I guess. So it's already really late, so I'm gonna be just learning about the Arduino stuff, but because I forgot a little bit after the bicycle gun project, I forgot how to actually do it. But anyways, I'm gonna. So it's the next day, and we're gonna continue. But we're gonna put this and this. I've learned a little bit already. So I guess the entire build is basically done. We just gotta fill it up with soil, put a plant in, and see if it works. So yeah, going to the showcase. So yeah, that's about it. This is the entire project build. You can see that it's right now at like 90%. There's like a lot of moisture because you can actually see the water level up here. It's kind of jiggling. I play with it a bit too much, but hey, it works. This is the first project that works 100%, which is actually crazy. 100%. Most of my projects work 90%, but this one works 100%. I mean, like, it's a simple project, but real effective. The buzzer did work. The moisture sensor, which is the main thing, actually worked, and the LCD did not tell the wrong output. So yeah, you also need a power plug, but that power plug could be easily solved since I'm in my room. I can just use one of these. So really good build. I can actually use this every single day, but you know, no one's gonna let me put soil inside the actual bedroom, so I'm just gonna put cotton or something else. But the entire concept is still the same. Anyways, I'm gonna modify this a bit before I put it in my bedroom. But yeah, and yeah, that's about it. See you next time. Bye bye. Look at that. Okay, that'll be the ending.